Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to register for the World Athletic Cross Country Championship 2026 step by step. Whether you are an athlete, coach or team officials, this guide will help you to understand the registration process, requirement and important tips. So before I start, I just ask you to browse this on your website, Best Mobile Apps website. Once it is opened, you need to click on tab blocks. In blocks, there is a section block category events. Click on that. After this, you need to click on event number 5. How to register for World Athletic Cross Country Championship 2026 Tallahassee, USA. So here you can see this block will open. Here all the relevant details related to this event is mentioned. As you can see that this World Athletic Cross Country Championship 2026 will take place in Tallahassee, Florida, USA on Saturday 10th Jan 2026. As this is a 46th edition of the World Cross Country Championship, it will feature more than 500 athletes from almost 65 countries. And if you scroll down, the event schedule is given and it's a one-day event. Here you can see the local times are given. These times are according to the Florida. You need to convert, if you are from other countries, you need to convert this time to your local zone. And if you scroll more, then the prize money also listed here. Like for the senior race individual, if somebody win the gold, how much the prize it will get. It is mentioned here $30,000. Similarly, for all the positions, the prize are mentioned. Now this event, if anybody wants to watch or want to experience, they can buy the spectator tickets from this link. And after the race, main race over, then anyone like from beginner, families or competitive run can participate for World's Fun Run Florida edition. They need to register through these links. Here are the steps also mentioned on this blog. And if you are planning to watch this event or want to participate in this event, you need some travels and accommodation planning. So these are few links through which you can book your flights and book your hotels accordingly. Then there are some links also given in this blog related to the running essentials for championship weekend, like running shoes, moisture wicking apparels, running caps and sunglasses, GPS sports watch, hydration bottle, lightweight running backpacks. So through all these links, and they are quite will provide you some discounts and heavy deals. So get benefit from these links as well. So this is all about this information related to World Athletics Cross Country Championship 2026, which will held in Tallahassee, USA. Let me give the information again about how you can navigate to this blog. Just type Best Mobile Apps on your browser, then click on blogs. Once you click on this, there is an event blog category. Click on it. Once you click on it, the event which is listed is 5 right now. You just click on it and this blog you will be able to navigate, and all the information related to this event you will get. Thank you. If you like this video or information, just like the video, subscribe the channel and comment below if you want any other relevant information related to this event. Thank you.